Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON M5. In this video I'll show you how to remap buttons. To remap buttons of your mouse, let's go to KEYCHRON Launcher and go to Customize. Now, select button you would like to remap. And now select function. You can select from basic keys, shortcut keys, key combination, multimedia, macro, DPI, pulling rate, game key, profile or disable. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.